Hey there guys, 3D Print Dude here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add modifiers in Orca Slicer. So step number one is to obviously open Orca Slicer, and what we want to do is get your model here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a shape here. So let's go with a cylinder. I'm going to increase the sizing by maybe 300. So you have your file on the plate here, and you're looking to modify a section of it, or how to add a modifier to it. So what you do here is you highlight it, and you right click, and you go to add modifier right here. And again, you can choose your shape depending on like what section of your print you want modified. Let's do a sphere just for fun. And it says switch to per object setting mode to edit modifier settings. That makes total sense, right? So I'm gonna click OK. And what I wanna do here is your modifier, you need to size it up to the size in which you want like a section of your print to be modified. So I'm gonna size this up by like 400, and it's a lot bigger. And then what I can do here is I can highlight it and I can move it exactly to where I want it to modify my 3D print file. And again, if I want to raise it up, you can click that button to change the coordinates. I can raise it up, and let's just do it that way. And so then blend it into where you want it. And this section of the file, of the cylinder, is going to be modified by the sphere that I just added. And how you edit the settings is you go over here on the left-hand tab here in the Prepare tab, and it usually says Global, like say if you have one file. But because you have multiple objects here, you have to go to the Objects section. And which one you click on here is the one you can edit the settings. So if I click on Cylinder, that's our original profile, right? That's the original print we're going to print. Here is the sphere where I want to modify, it's the modifier, I want to modify the settings of it, of this section of it that goes through the print. And maybe you just want to like drag it through the whole print. It kind of depends because I have no idea what section you're trying to modify, you know? So then what I would do here is I would highlight this section of the sphere, the modifier, and then I would go down here and I can change all these settings. You can change, if you click on frequent, you can change the infill density. Click on the quality tab, you can change that. Strength, you can change all these settings, the walls, the bottom shells, top shells, infill. And all you have to do there is just edit it, and then that's how you do it. And when you're done editing all of the profile or the modifier settings that you want to change, you can go up to slice plate, and then it will slice it and figure it out. And then that's how you add a modifier to your 3D print file. And if you need to edit more, just click on the Prepare tab and go back here, and you can start editing stuff. You can add more wall loops, etc., top shell layers. But hopefully that helps, guys. This is how to add modifiers to Orca Slicer. Hit me up in the comments if you have any further questions. I'm a normal dude and will reply. And please consider subscribing because I'm an enthusiast to 3D printing after all.